New York. In addition to opening this month's Venice Film Festival, Noah Baumbach's adaptation of Don DeLillo's White Noise will also kick off the 60th New York Film Festival. At Alice Tully Hall. Baumbach's film, starring Adam Driver and Greta Gerwig, adapts DeLillo's classic 1985 novel about a toxic event in a suburban college town. But Baumbach, a New York native, has a long history with the New York Film Festival, which he regularly attended as a kid. Opening the 60th NIF with White Noise is truly special for me. This festival was part of my film education and has been a home for me and many of my movies over the years. Dennis Lim, the festival's artistic director, called Baumbach's adaptation an unequivocal triumph, a wildly entertaining and morbidly funny meditation on the way we live now that is also the director's most ambitious and expansive film. The New York Film Festival runs September 30–October 16.